can also see here, this is a recent trade. All right, you can look at the timestamp on this trade. This is a recent trade. Okay, this is a trade reference. This is a real account. This is a real trade on a real account. All right, okay. Now I'm going to show you the settings that we apply. This is a completely no martingale trade. All right, I'm going to show you the settings that we apply to arrive at this significant profit that we made here today on this market. All right, yeah, all you have to do is please stay with me to the end of this video so you can see how to customize and optimize our bot, all right, to your optimum profit on the binary option space. All right, right here what we do is make money on Deriv.com. all right, yeah, that is what we do here. We make money and we help you make money. You know that a lot of people, it's easy to blow your account. A lot of people blow their account on this market every day. All right, but right here at the Binary King Empire, the language we understand is profit. All right, yeah, that is the language we understand. Okay, as you can see, I mean, this is not easy. The truth is that it's not easy to make money, to leave this binary option market with profit. All right, when a lot of people are busy, all right, blowing their account. Okay, as you can see, this is a virtual account that is associated with this account. This is also a USDT account that is associated with this account. Okay, we do not hide anything from you here. These are real tab. We show you a real tab exactly as it is. Okay, all right, now let me show you the settings that we apply, all right, to achieve these profits that we have here. Okay, yeah, let me just close this. All right, okay, let me close the chat. Okay, let me show you the settings that we have, that we applied here to arrive at where we are on this market. Yeah, guys, our bot is simply customized with high frequency, high accuracy. All right, it is designed for your profit, for optimum profit. All right, this bot has a track record of 99.9 accuracy, 99.9 positive result on the market. All right, okay, now look at the settings that we applied. I just told you that with this trade we carried out is a completely no martingale trade. All right, we applied a volatility index 100. All right, this is a digit trade. All right, now we advise you to please get your trading pair. All right, you just get your trading pair and apply it on this board. All right, and just plug and play and just watch it make money for you. All right, now as you can see, yeah, we set our target profit. Set your target profit, you know, realistically. All right, you set your stop loss based on the value of your account. All right, now we enter. You can imagine the level of trust we have on this board for us to enter a market with $100. All right, the martingale factor is 0. Set it at 0. No, martingale level is 0. Everything martingale. We told you this is a completely no martingale trade. All right, this is a 0 martingale trade. This fake loss we want set it at 2. All right, duration is 1. All right, once you've applied this setting, all you have to do is simply plug and play. Just run your bot. All right, to get a hold of this bot, it is very simple. Just look at the comment section of this video. You'll see our WhatsApp contact. You write us on WhatsApp. All right, and let's help you make money and quit blowing your account on the binary option market. All right, please do not forget to turn on the subscription button, hit the like button on this video, turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever we drop content. And do not forget, please, my name is Quincy and I'm the Chief Binary Market Analyst of Binary King Empire. See you next time.